What team are you on? Max, Duke, Gidget, Chloe, Snowball, or Mel? Let me know in the comment section. Let's start cooking with our microwave and see what surprises we get. We'll start with this mesh and teal slime ball. First it's teal, and when you squeeze it, it's green. So fun! Into the microwave. Whoa, what did we get? Now we have an orange slime ball. What happens when I squeeze it? Ooh, yellow. Let's see it again. Starts out orange. Now yellow. All right, let's see if we can make it give us another surprise. Whoa, what do we have here? Now we have a purple slime ball. What color will we see when we squeeze it? Pink. Very cool. Back into the microwave. Wow, what do we have now? This time it's green. What will it be when we squeeze? Blue! Green, and now blue. Super cool. Here we go again. Wow, what did we get? It's a Paw Patrol mashup. This is Rocky. Now let's see what it looks like when we put all the slime balls together. Whoa, blue, yellow, green, and pink. So cool. Which slime ball is your favorite? The orange, green, purple, or blue? Let me know in the comment section. Red hat on Chase. Yellow hat on Chase. Yellow goggles on Sky. Green goggles on Sky. Pink hat on Marshall. Blue hat on Marshall. Orange hat on Marshall. It's gumballs! Look at all the rainbow colors of gumballs in here. But we've got a problem. The colors are mixed up. We need to sort them. So I'm going to get these gumballs into a bowl so that we're ready to sort. All of our gumballs are out, and now our pie is ready for sorting. We have orange, green, purple, yellow, and red. Let's start sorting. Yellow gumball. Red. Red. Purple. Green. Yellow. It's a yellow gumball. Red. Orange. Orange. Another orange. Yellow. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Here's a green one. Red. Green. Yellow. Another yellow. Here's a red. Red. Red gumball. And now a purple. Red. Purple. A red gumball. Green. Another green. Here's yellow. Green. Orange. And another orange. Do you know something that's the color orange? You can tell me about it in the comment section. Purple. Purple. Looks like our purple's getting filled up fast. Green. Orange. Yellow. Orange. Hey, this isn't a gumball. This is a Mickey Tsum Tsum. You don't belong in here. Green. Purple. Orange gumball. Purple. Red. Wow, our pie's really getting full. Few more to go. Orange. Red. Green. Orange. A purple one. Purple. Orange. Purple. Yellow. Yellow. Green. Green. And our last gumball is red. Wow, we finished our pie and it looks so great. Well guys, that's it for this video. It was so much fun sorting our colored of gumballs into our sorting pie. We have green, orange, red, yellow, and purple. Do you remember the Tsum Tsum that was in our gumballs? If you know which Tsum Tsum it was, leave your answer in the comments section. And if you'd like to see more of our sorting pie, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye!